HDFC Life Click to Wealth. Is it really a good investment plan to create wealth? Hi, this is Ramalingam from holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to take right financial and investment decision. HDFC Life Click to Wealth. First, let us look at the key features of this particular policy so that we will be able to analyze it better. Right? What are the key features of this policy? This is a unit-linked insurance plan. It is an ULIP. This is not a regular endowment money back plan. No, this is market-related investment. ULIP means there will be two components. The first component is life cover given to the policyholder. Over and above the life cover value, there will be additional amount that goes towards investment. That investment will be invested in market. Here market can be stock market or bonds or money market. So there will be ups and downs. This is not the traditional FD kind of investment plan. This is market related riskier investment plan. How does this policy work? Predominantly two main streams. One, you pay premium throughout the period. And end of the period can be 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, from anywhere between 10 years to 40 years. You pay premium throughout. End of your policy term, if you have chosen 15 years as the policy term, end of 15th year, you will get back the maturity value. Every year you pay premium, end of 15th year, you get back the maturity value. Or alternatively, you can choose the limited premium paying option. Your policy term is 15 years, but you pay premium only for 5 years or 10 years. You wait for another 5-10 years, end of 15th year, you get back the maturity value. In both the cases, the maturity value depends upon the underlying funds in which it is getting invested. That means the fund has got multiple fund options. Yes, this particular HDFC Click to Wealth insurance policy has got multiple fund options. Let us see what are all the different fund options. There are many. Diversified equity fund which invests predominantly in stock market, blue chip fund which invests again in stock market, balanced fund, it invests in a combination of equity and debt, bond fund invests only in fixed income, no stock market, discovery fund predominantly invests in stock market, equity advantage again predominantly invests in stock market. There are other funds like opportunities fund, like which invests predominantly in equity, whereas liquid fund and secure advantage fund, they invest predominantly or only in fixed income schemes. They don't invest in stock market related schemes. So you've got variety of funds to choose from. You can pick and choose. You can have your own combination. So this will help you decide the right asset allocation based on your risk appetite, based upon your return requirement. You can choose to have your own asset mix with all these fund options available to you. As we have understood the basic features of this policy, now we have to analyze this policy. To analyze this policy, what do we have to understand first? We have to understand what are all the different benefits of this policy. Okay, what are all the benefits of this policy? There are two major benefits. One is the death benefit and the second one is the maturity benefit. Let us see one by one. What is the death benefit? In case of any mishappening to the policy holder, how much the nominee will get? The nominee will get the highest of any of the three values. Yes, there are three values. Out of these three values, whichever is higher, that will be given to the nominee. What are all those three values? Number one, the fund value as on date. What is the present value of the underlying funds in which you made the investments? Right? What is the present value of that? That is the first value we have to check. The second value is 105% of the total premiums paid. Third is the guaranteed sum assured. The total right? Fund value assigned 105% of the total premiums, guaranteed sum assured. Out of these three values, whichever is higher, that will be given to the nominee in case of death of the policyholder. So we are clear about the death benefit. We have to see the next benefit. What is the next benefit? Maturity benefit. What is going to be the maturity benefit? To understand the maturity benefit, let us look at an example. Can we see with an example? As an investor who's aged of 35 is choosing to invest 1.2 lakhs every year for 15 years, right? Now he has got two options. He can invest in low risk bond fund. He can also choose to invest in high risk equity funds, in this case blue chip fund. So out of these two, if an investor chooses low risk investment bond fund, then the approximate maturity value based on the past performance of the bond fund in HDFC Click 2 Wealth, it is 27.2 lakhs. This is based on the past performance of this fund, and again this 27.2 lakhs is the gross return, not the net return. This is before the expenses ratio. Bond fund charges 0.80%. Fund management charges every year, that needs to be adjusted. So 27.2 is basically the gross return if you choose to invest in low risk investment option. Suppose as an investor, if you choose to invest in high risk investment option like blue chip fund in HDFC Click 2 Wealth, then in that case it could have generated based on the past performance close to 41.65 lakhs. 41.65 lakhs. Again, remember, this is the gross yield, not the net return. This has to be adjusted for the expenses. This is the pre-expenses return. 1.35% per annum for the entire 15 years needs to be adjusted out of this 41.65 lakhs. Right. Now we have got the approximate maturity value. We have understood, we have analyzed this policy with the benefits, right? Death benefit as well as maturity benefit. So in order to decide whether these benefits are sufficient, is these benefits are really good as an investor, we can compare with few other investment options so that we will get clarity, right? We will be able to evaluate this policy better. Low risk investment is yielding 27.22 lakhs as the gross. Let us compare it with another low risk investment option, which is PPF in this case, right? An investor is investing same 1.2 lakhs in PPF for 15 years. Let us see what is going to be the maturity value that investor who is choosing to invest in PPF will get. That works out to 31.54 lakhs. PPF, guaranteed return, assured return, backed by government, is giving you 31.54 lakhs, which is basically the net return. 31.54 lakhs is not the gross return, net return. 31.54 net return is much higher than the gross return of 27 lakhs given by Click 2 Wealth low risk investment option. Obviously, PPF seems to be the winner here. Fine. There was another option where the investor could invest in HDFC Click 2 Wealth high risk investment option blue chip fund, which was giving 41 lakhs. Let us compare that with another high risk investment like mutual fund. Let us see what is the maturity value. What is the value at the end of 15th year if an investor chooses to invest in equity linked saving schemes. Remember, equity linked saving schemes are similar to the blue chip fund option or any equity fund option in HDFC Click 2 Wealth. It also goes ups and down. These returns, what we have assumed as 12%, is based on the past performance, not the guaranteed return. This is not guaranteed in both HDFC Click 2 Wealth, any equity fund option, or in mutual fund option. So what is the net return an investor can make. Here in mutual funds, the gross return, pre-tax return is 47.59 lakhs. Same 1.2 lakhs invested for 15 years, giving him an approximate post-tax return of 47.59 lakhs in this example. Post-tax, it becomes 44.7 lakhs. 44.7 lakhs is the net return an investor makes. This is again much higher than the gross return of 41 lakhs given by HDFC Click to Wealth Blue Chip Fund option. So obviously, mutual fund gives much higher return because of low charges. And another important thing what we have to look at is mutual fund brings you a lot of flexibility. You can choose to invest in a HDFC mutual fund this year, and next year or after 3 years, 5 years, if the fund underperforms, you can come out of HDFC and go to ICICI. After 5 years, you can create wealth and again withdraw and go to Birla Mutual Fund. There is an easy entry and exit option is available with mutual funds. Whereas with ULIP, today you are investing in HDFC ULIP. After 5 years, you want to come out and enter into ICICI ULIP. Again, you want to come out and enter into Birla ULIP. It is not that easy. There will be a lot of exit charges. And again, when you enter, you will have more allocation charges. So in order to avoid that, to have more flexibility and have higher return, it is better to avoid this HDFC Click to Wealth plan because it is giving you low return. Both the cases of like low risk investment as well as in a high risk investment category, it is giving low returns, and there is no flexibility to move from one investment company to other company easily with this kind of ULIPs. So better to avoid this ULIP. Then what is the alternative investment an investor can consider? That is the next question. If you are a conservative investor, risk avoiding investor, then you can go for term insurance plus PPF investment combination. Or if you are an investor who is willing to take risk, then in that case you can choose a combination of term insurance plus ELSS mutual fund option. You are not a conservative investor, at the same time you are not an aggressive investor. Are you a moderate investor? Then in that case you can choose term insurance plus PPF plus equity linked mutual fund schemes. As a combination of these three you can choose, that can help you outperform HDFC Click to Wealth fund maturity value. We have done a detailed research analysis of this particular policy and compared it with few other investment options. The detailed research analysis is available in our blog post. The link to that blog post is given below this video. Please click that link and you can read the detailed review in case if you need that. If you have any questions related to this policy or any other investment option, you can have a free appointment with our financial planner. The link for the free appointment registration is given below this video in the description box. Do you attend investment related webinars? Do you think that can add value and take right investment decision? Then in that case, you will be definitely enjoying our webinars, which is scheduled shortly. The link to that webinar registration is given in the description box. You can register for the webinar and it is completely free. If you have liked this video, then please subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any of our future video. Thank you. Bye.